It's another cloudy and gloomy afternoon across mid-Missouri. Temperatures into the upper 60s and lower 70s. That classic split we've been tracking over the past couple days, well, it hasn't really moved. And these aren't temperatures this afternoon. This was Tuesday at noon. It was a little bit warmer near the Interstate 70 corridor. That front dive just a little bit south yesterday afternoon. And you can see here into this afternoon, temperatures pretty much haven't done anything. That stationary boundary, at least at the surface, has really been remaining stuck in place across a good portion of mid-Missouri. Satellite and radar picking up on a few showers, especially for our northwestern counties. Looks like Marshall, Brunswick, up through Macon and Moberly. You'll continue to hang on to these on and off showers throughout the rest of this afternoon. And a few of those sprinkles making themselves apparent in Columbia and down to Jefferson City. Not really expecting too much in the way of heavy rainfall, but just kind of that gloomy, damp sort of day continuing. Overnight tonight will continue to remain damp. Probably going to be dealing with a little bit of that fog and mist as temperatures drop to about 60 degrees. That's where those dew points are right now. You get those temperatures and dew points to mix in an atmosphere like this. You typically get fog and mist. 75 does it for an afternoon high in Columbia tomorrow. Not as much of a temperature spread as we start to see that stationary boundary begin to relax. That will allow those temperatures to become a little bit more evenly dispersed across a good portion of the region. And we may run into a few showers and storms throughout the day tomorrow, but really not going to be focused in too many areas. Going to remain widely scattered like it is today. Into Football Friday for tomorrow evening as Jefferson City takes on the Bruins. We'll run into a few spotty showers, but I'm not expecting a washout. We can see those temperatures will be in the upper 60s and lower 70s. Here's future track through the rest of the afternoon. I think it's a little bit far south with this southern flank of precipitation, but you could see by 6 and 7 o'clock most of that has pretty quickly dried out. That will continue to lift off to the north, and those widely scattered showers and likely some mist mixing in as well will likely be the dominant feature into tomorrow morning. Into Friday afternoon, you can see more of the same, just these widely scattered showers. And then that cold front starts to roll through the area. The main area of low pressure that's been stuck over the Rocky Mountains that brought us that first cold front finally starts to eject. You can actually see a little bit of that circulation here on future track. That will kick on off to the east. And then a secondary circulation develops off to the north and brings another cold front as we're headed into Saturday evening. That should push out the humidity that we've been dealing with over the past couple of days. Definitely been a little bit damp out there. That should be kicked out by the time we get to Sunday. And it's going to be a little bit warmer thanks due in part to seeing a little bit more sunshine. An indication, though, that we're not dealing with as much humidity is that we see those temperatures in the mornings continuing to drop into the 50s next week.